Hey guys, this is Evie and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how I did these purple and hollow nails. So for this look, I'm using Long Hair Pretty Nails Pixie Pink and Clear Acrylic, along with this purple and angel glitter Mia Secret Grape Acrylic. And I'll be applying it with the Long Hair Pretty Nails number 8 oval Kolinsky brush. Alright, so this is a redesign, so I just went ahead and filed off my previous nail design, and now I'm going in with the Pixie Pink acrylic, and I'm just going to use that to create my nail bed area. And I'm just trying to get that final shape that I want with the brush, just trying to make those side walls and smile line very crisp. And then after this is dry, I will go in with my hand file and, file the smile line just to make everything nice and crisp. Moving on to the ring fingernail, I'm just going to wet the nail with some monomer, and then I'm applying the Mia Secret Grape Acrylic to the entire nail. This acrylic was pretty hard to work with. The pigment was very patchy and it was just not good. So I'm just gonna speed through this part. Alright, so after all of the acrylic is laid, I'm going in with the purple glitter, and I'm just applying that to the cuticle area and bringing it down in a ombre fashion. And I'm just picking up a tiny bit of clear acrylic and dipping that into the glitter, and that is how I'm applying that to the nail. So then I just go in with a little bit of the angel glitter just to give it a little bit of dimension. Alright, so there's been enough time for this nail bed area to dry. So I'm just going to file the sides of this. And now I'm going to apply the Mia Secret Grape to the tip and just kind of bring that right up against the walls of the nail bed area. Yeah, this purple was really not that easy to work with. So after that, I'm just gonna go ahead and encapsulate, and just trying to keep this kind of thin because the nails were already sculpted. So this layer needs to be just, really thin. And then I go in and cap the tip of the index finger as well. So now I'm going in with this Nails Inc holographic nail polish, and this is called Cosmic Queen, and it is a beautiful holographic color. It is a mint color, but to me it's more on the silvery side. So I love this polish. It is so beautiful. Alright, so after the polish has completely dried, I'm going in with the bling gel. And then I'm applying Poochie's Nails Super Shine Gel Top Coat on top of that. And that is how I like to apply my crystals and make sure that they stay in place. So I'm applying these little chrome iridescent type Swarovski crystals. and also my small iridescent crystals. The iridescent crystals are available on my website. I will leave links down below. So after I liked the placement, I went ahead and cured in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. So now I'm applying some stones to my index finger as well, and went ahead and cured that. And now I'm applying the Poochie's Nails Super Shine Gel Top Coat to the rest of the nails. So after curing, I'm applying cuticle oil. And this is the finished look. I love this color combination and I love the placement of the stones. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick nail tutorial. Head over to longhairprettynails.com and check out the shop. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And I will talk to you in my next one.